Once upon a time in a small vibrant village in Jamaica, there lived a boy named Tommy. From a young age, Tommy faced many hardships. Orphaned at an early age, he was left to navigate life alone. Sadly, some of the older kids in the neighborhood would pick on him, teasing and bullying him just because he was different. Despite this, Tommy never gave up. Instead, he used his struggles as fuel to become stronger and more determined. Every day after school, Tommy trained himself. He practiced martial arts in secret, learning to defend himself and others. His dedication paid off, and soon he became known as the best fighter in his community, not just because he was tough, but because he fought to protect those who couldn't stand up for themselves. Over time, his reputation grew, and even his bullies began to respect him, realizing he was more than just a fighter, he was a leader. One day, Tommy's hard work and courage paid off in a big way. He won a national martial arts tournament, earning fame and respect across the country. With his newfound success, he became wealthy, but instead of keeping all the riches for himself, Tommy decided to give back. He opened an orphanage in his community, providing shelter, education, and love to other children who needed it most, just like he once did. Tommy's story spread beyond his village. He became a symbol of resilience and hope, showing everyone that even in the face of adversity, one person's courage can inspire change. Thanks to Tommy, many children found a safe place to grow and dream, proving that with determination and kindness, anyone can triumph over their struggles and build a brighter future.